sir. Sir, few questions. Sir, few questions. Sir, few questions, sir. Sir, what's the fate of ICI? Sir, may we know the fate of ICI, sir? Ano pong mangyayari sa ICI, sir?
I'm sorry?
Ano pong mangyayari sa ICI? Given na isa na lang po yung
Well, it
chairman.
depends on how much work they still have left. Kung matapos na yung trabaho nila, we will see what they can do next. But they really are coming towards to the end. Lahat ng kailangan imbestigahan na nila. Maybe there are one or two other loose ends that they have to clear up.
So are you planning to appoint commissioners?
Do you intend to reappoint new commissioners?
That we haven't really decided on that yet. Depends again. It all depends on the work that ICI still has in front of it. Pag kailangan pa, then we will. But if the work is done, kung naibigay na lahat ng information sa DOJ at saka sa Ombudsman, then the focus now of the investigation will go to the DOJ and the Ombudsman.
So next, from OP.